What's going on, you guys? We have a package here from FatFour Customs. Did not plan to make a video, but might as well for people that are curious and to promote a cool company. So, FatFour Customs, they make a bunch of cool stuff for the Accords. And I got a package for the future setup. We got the 350Z rotors. People usually snag these when they do the upgrade to the 5 lux, but I'm gonna keep the 4. There's no plans for 5 lux swap in the future at all. I'm piecing together everything I need to get. I got this from them, the brackets that you need to get that go on the back of your knuckle for the calipers to bolt onto. So this will go in place of your OEM calipers, and then the bigger ones, the ACURA RL, I think it is, or yeah, I think it's RL. They bolt on through the holes that are on the inside of this, so they go on like that. Bolts go through right here. There's plenty of videos you can check out on YouTube right now that people have already done. JP has a video out. Check out his video. He's got this going for a swap, the bigger brake kit. So this is pretty tight. And then I got the hardware set for this, for the new calipers, and to get these on some new bolts for your brake lines. I do brake lines. I still need to upgrade my brake lines. Calipers are gonna be on the way soon. I got those off a guy from eBay. Not the rotor, but I need to get the bearing and the hub, which is pre-pressed on eBay. I did come across. And I think that's it. So I just need that, brake lines, little things like that. But this should be everything, I believe. It's gonna be an update video for you guys. I do have another item on the way, which is the front lip from Xenon and the side skirts. Pretty damn excited for that. I just wish it came a lot sooner when I really wanted it, but this kind of came out of the blue. They're like, hey, we have these parts and they're ready to ship. Let us know if you still want them. I was like, son of a bitch, I'm spending too much. I've basically been jumping back and forth of, do I want to do motor stuff, mess with the H, or do I want to mess with the looks of the car, or, because I'm dealing with the whole wrap situation. The wrap is giving me a hard time with the way it looks, and it's peeling, and I'm not doing it correct, and all that nonsense. And then I'm like, do I need to jump on drivability? Like, do I plan on driving this car more often? I'm like, you know what, I kind of do enjoy it before, winter at least. And the one thing I'm struggling with right now is the wobble. I think it's a new wobble on the right side. So on the passenger side, it does wobble on our way back from Seattle area. It was pretty intense, so it was kind of making a noise I could hear. But through town, regular driving, it's not a big deal. I don't hear anything, so I'm very curious what the heck it is. So hoping all this will, get rid of some things, replace some things, and help out with that situation. So I'm gonna be doing this, do some side skirt stuff, to get myself back in the groove. Plus birthdays are over, school's gonna start, and I'm gonna have more time to mess around with all this. So this is the update: tail lights, side skirts, front lip, this big brake kit, which is gonna, oh man, this is gonna look so nice. Oh yeah, I'll throw in a little render. I did a little Photoshop over it. And then once that's all figured out, car shaking, I'm gonna enjoy the car, drive the car. Got a lot of inspiration from that car show though. Seeing that old school Civic hatch, dude, it just makes me want to go even harder with my interior and the engine bay. Tie it all in, But there's a little update for you guys, kind of things, some things that are going on. Shout out to FatFour Customs for sending out the goods, throwing in a t-shirt. Super tight. Stickers. Love it. I'll probably throw this on the windshield. Get that on the side. We got the lanyard. Yeah. Let's get back into it. I don't know about doing install videos, but I'll definitely give you guys update videos, little walk arounds after it's completed, or before and after type of deal. So yeah, thanks for watching.